After 4 months, we've made it to a new country. We've made it to the longest and narrowest country in the world. Welcome to Santiago, Chile!
Yay! We are here in the main square in Santiago called Plaza de Armas, and this is our first day exploring this really huge city. I say really huge, it's got nearly 6 million people living here, so Google tells me. So yeah, we can feel it as well, it feels pretty busy. But yeah, after traveling around Argentina for the last nearly 4 months, it's pretty crazy trying to cross the border because we're running out of time. So we had to take a crazy bus journey. And if you've been following us for a while, you'll know we've had some crazy bus journeys traveling around Argentina, but this one definitely was the craziest. So we traveled back to Mendoza so that we could cross the border from Mendoza over to Santiago, which isn't that far in terms of distance, but the roads are nuts. The border crossing took like a few hours, but that windy road that you have to go down, I can definitely say, don't do it. Definitely not in a bus. Take a flight if you can, because yeah, that was literally the most terrifying bus journey of our lives. So not only are we super lucky to be alive after that journey, we are really excited to be here exploring a whole new country. Really strong South America vibes going on here. There's like palm trees everywhere, music playing, museums with like old cool buildings, and some brand new fancy looking mirrored glass buildings as well. Pretty exciting start to the city. And we're staying in a really cool location. We're staying near to Santa Lucia Hill, which we found out this morning is closed. Oh, by the way, that's a good tip. If you come to Chile, remember that parks and some museums are closed on a Monday. Today is Monday, that's how we found that out. So we're gonna head there tomorrow instead. But we found this really nice cafe called Wonderland Cafe. It's called Alice in Wonderland. Had some amazing food in there. Yeah, it's touristy, so the prices are a little bit high. But we just had a really amazing lunch there, like avocado toast, pancakes, coffee, tea, and it only came to like £26. I don't know what that is in Chilean pesos because I'm still getting my head around all of this. But thankfully they speak Spanish here, and you know, we're picking up on that, so at least the language hasn't changed, just the currency. But yeah, let's go and see this city. We've got a few days to explore. Come see it with us.
Craig and Kirsty, a couple who have been on the road for the past 3 years sharing our adventures around the world. Right now we're making our way through South America and exploring everything it has to offer. If you enjoy seeing new places and real experiences, please subscribe and welcome to the adventures of Tide Not Travellers.
We've made the very short 5-minute walk through from Plaza de Armas through to Plaza Constitution, through the hustling and bustling streets of Santiago. There's so many people, there's street sellers and market stalls everywhere. It's just so much to see.
But yeah, it's really nice. You come out onto Constitution Plaza and it's like all neutral colours, nice and spacious, security guards everywhere, so you feel nice and safe. It's not so touristy. And the reason the security guards everywhere is because this is the civic district, it's the financial and business district, and behind us there you've got La Moneda Palace, which is where the president sits and all presidential important stuff happens. It's a very patriotic place and just, yeah, really cool place to be. Also inside the palace there is actually a cultural centre which you can go inside and visit for free before midday, but we're getting on a bit later in the day now, and our next few days we are off to explore outer of the city. So we'll check this place out now.
Plaza de Armas is much more multicultural and cosmopolitan feeling, and it's just much more clean and more spacious here in Plaza Constitution, and you've got all these huge Chilean flags flying around the square. I love the Chilean flag, it looks so cool.
I don't know if you can tell, but we feel a lot more relaxed being on camera here. Over there in the square there are just people everywhere constantly, so we couldn't hold the camera like we are now with us both in the shot because we were just a little bit fearful. It's our first day here. First day in a busy city, you're going to be a little bit scared. But yeah, we feel safer here because there's just literally security everywhere, and this is a nice big open space.
Here we are on day number 3 of exploring Santiago, and it's absolutely blinding today, glorious weather. I'm really enjoying this spreading out exploring cities over multiple days.
Yeah, but today is our final day, so we've got a few things to tick off, and we're starting off by heading to what we've been told is a must-see site here in Santiago, the Central Market. So we're just going to go and have a little wander around and see what there is to see there, really.
Yeah, we're not sure quite what to expect. We've read a lot of things, but we're going to go in and just check it out. It's okay, gracias.
And so it begins.
Where you coming from?
Hola.
Where you coming from?
Everywhere.
No, where you coming from?
All around the world.
Oh, here it is.
Hola. 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 I think it's the next aisle that's the one. Gracias. Gracias.
Bienvenidos.
Hola. We prefer this kind of fish.
Yeah.
The fish that's still moving and looking healthy. Oh, we're not the only ones who are filming.
Hola. Hola, buen día, amigo. ¿Quieres comer algo?
Okay, gracias.
Adelante, señor.
It's okay, gracias. Poquito España, gracias. Wow, it is really cool in here. It's kind of like the Mercado in San Telmo. You can see the rays of shards of light coming through there. And to be fair, it's not been too much so far. I think things haven't really kicked off just yet. I think probably in the afternoon it gets more hectic. As soon as you enter the building, there are people who immediately try to get you into restaurants and things, but
3 already.
yeah, you
This
can
is
see
quiet.
there's plenty of places to eat in here, so yeah, it's great. Hola.
Hello, good morning.
Hola. Oh, friendly people.
Yeah, they're friendly.
Hola amigo, ¿cómo está? Buenas tardes.
Hola.
Bienvenido al Mercado Central, el Galeón acá. Mi nombre es Manuel, trabajo en el Galeón. Cualquier
Gracias.
cosita, estamos para atenderlo aquí.
¿De?
Otra cosa mariposa que el Galeón.
Okay, well,
Show de bola.
gracias. Yeah, it's nice. So far, I definitely recommend coming here before lunchtime in the morning because there's less people here, so you get treated a lot nicer than what we've heard online anyway.
Yeah, yeah. Also, maybe they haven't had their coffee yet, so they're not on their A game at dragging us in. Like, we've obviously had a few, but it's all right. We're
Yeah.
British and we're not used to that kind of thing, so for us it's like, if we can handle it, anyone can.
Yeah. It's not the hugest market, so it only takes a few minutes to
Hola.
walk around. But
Hola
yeah.
para almorzar.
Gracias. We're just walking around. Yeah, it's not the biggest market, so it doesn't take that long to walk around, but it is definitely interesting to see.
Yeah, and it stinks of fish. The reviews online are true, it stinks of fish. I did like run past the fishy bit over there because over there's a guy's hassling and there's dead fish everywhere, so yeah, and also the floor is wet, so you will get fishy feet if you go along that bit, so
It's not too bad.
if you like that kind of thing, go see it, but yeah.
Sí, aquí. El mejor restaurante, la mejor chica. Para amigo brasileño. Caranguejo, camarón, salteado. ¿Dónde viene? Hola, ¿qué nos buscando? Buenas.
Hola, hola. Hola.
Ah, paseando. ¿Brasil? Andamos
Hola,
buscando
bonjour.
consulte, buenos
Hola,
días.
hola. Buen día. Hola. Buen día.
Hola.
Hola. Gracias, buen día.
Happy to be out of there Did that for you guys. Not the ideal thing as a vegetarian. Did that for you guys, and maybe also Craig made me do it. Maybe walk through the fishy bit. But yeah, it's cool to see. Everyone says you need to come and see this while you're here in Santiago. So yeah, there you go, that's the Central Market, it's done.
Yeah, just so you know, that wasn't exactly a dream for me either.
The things we do for you guys so you can see it without smelling it.
I prefer to see things alive, if I'm honest.
Yeah.
But yeah, it didn't actually smell as bad as I thought it was going to be, like really repulsive. It wasn't that bad. Admittedly, got the masks, but like I said inside, do go earlier because we didn't get hassled that much. And I just spoke to people, said hello, gave a bit of a fist bump, and they're very friendly and just left us alone after that.
It's
so
enjoyable, except the smell.
It's very good.
So here we are walking through Bicentenario Park, which is a man-made park right here in the middle of the city, and you can see the huge city skyline with Costanera Centre behind us. And it's really nice to actually be out of all the mayhem. Like, we're a bit citied out after 3 days walking around the city. We're kind of tired out, so it's quite nice just to get a little bit of peace and quiet, even if it is a man-made park.
Yeah, it's only about a 20 or 25 minute walk from the Costanera Centre. As Kosi said, you should be able to see it over our heads. And what's lovely about it is it's still in the city, but you actually feel like you have some space.
Yeah.
It's a bit more relaxed. It's like there's vast open green areas for people. There's a dog park right next to us actually as we walk past. We absolutely love dogs, so there's like an urban workout area, and something that we saw in a picture before we came here was this big sculpture, which I'm just going to show you in a second.
So Bicentenario Park was inaugurated in 2007, and it was put here to celebrate 400 years of Chile, I think.
Awesome. We'll have to verify those facts.
I'm very tired. I am not built for city life. But yeah, we are definitely ready to get some fresh air and go and see the Pacific coast very soon.
But yeah, the sun's about to go down in about the next 45 minutes or so. We're going to relax here in the park, not do a workout on the urban fitness machines. But yeah, for now we're just going to have a bit of a time out and enjoy the park.
Yeah, doing something free because Chile is not as affordable as Argentina. We are missing that blue dollar rate right now. I'd say the prices here are kind of more in line with like European prices, whereas we've just had 4 months of lovely Argentinian prices.
Blue dollar prices.
So, yeah, like lunch and dinner and stuff here cost the same kind of prices that you'd have back in Europe. So
if any influential Chileans are watching this, consider introducing a half price. Thank you very much.
But yeah, everyone's been really friendly. It's been really nice. Really nice first intro to Chile.